Our topic is all about the value of networking to entrepreneurs. My name is Clyde Pagaran together with Miss Siti Aisha M. Pulayagan. So networking is essential for entrepreneurs as it helps build relationships that can boost business revenue and provide support. Successful entrepreneurs invest in people, recognizing that their network, composed of like-minded individuals, can enhance both business success and personal fulfillment. So, this networking is an essential tool po yun kayo ni para sa tuwa nga mga entrepreneurs. Better business opportunities. Effective networking opens up valuable business opportunities by connecting entrepreneurs with potential customers, partners, and collaborators. It can lead to referrals, partnership, joint ventures, and expansion opportunities, helping business grow and succeed. So, these better business opportunities mo na siya ang isa po sa kinahanglanan nato para mas mo-grow ta. We need more opportunities para mo-grow ang ato ang business. So, increase status. Networking boosts an entrepreneur's status by increasing visibility and connecting them with influential individuals, which can lead to more opportunities, referrals, and business growth. Regular engagement with established communities helps entrepreneurs maintain their reputation as trusted and knowledgeable professionals. So with this increased status, so kini siya nga tol is muna siya ang kinahanglanan po nato nga asa mag-networking ta, then para mas mabusog mo taas ang atuhang mga sales sa to ang business. So, enhanced knowledge. Networking allows entrepreneurs to gain valuable insights and advice from business experts, enhancing both their professional and personal growth. By connecting with experienced individuals and seeking mentorship, entrepreneurs can access practical knowledge and strategies to improve their business. So, kini siya nga tula, enhanced knowledge. Dapat knowledgeable ta when it comes mag-engage ta ani nga business. So, networking yun is module itong kinahanglanan yun para mas mag-grow yun itong business ba. Like, need na itong mag-gather o mga data good, then dapat kabahalo to sa usay trend karon and usay mga gusto sa mga customer na to. So, ato. So, the next topic, akong ihatag ang higayon kay Miss Siti Aisha Pulayagan. Thank you.